Hello and welcome to the first volume in this important new series. It would hardly have seemed conceivable when mainline steam in the UK ended that nearly 30 years later, as we rapidly head towards the next millennium, we would still be able to enjoy seeing genuine working steam. Exciting as preserved steam can sometimes be, most people would agree that there's nothing like the real thing. No need for special run pasts, just the chance to sit back and soak up the atmosphere of a real working railway.